Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check MAC address for your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party. To check MAC address you can find this information at the box. So you need to turn over it at the bottom under the serial number. So right here we have MAC address and we can check it right here. This speaker haven't dedicated application, so we cannot use the application to find MAC address, and also I didn't find this information at the speaker. We have serial number at the speaker but not MAC address. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!